Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a deposit on Freelancer, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then click on the three lines at the bottom of the screen and click on after that the make a deposit option. Here you have to select your card type, like card type or payment method type, like debit or credit card, PayPal, Skrill, bank deposit, ideas, so forth, and so on. You have to select one from this list. After that, you have to give your card number, your cardholder name, expire date, CVC or CVV. You have to select your deposit currency. So here are several options and you have to choose one of these options. After that, the deposit amount, and you can see for that amount the processing fee and the total. And after that you have to click on the confirm and pay that amount of money. So with this you agree to authorize the use of your card for this deposit and future payments. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.